Hello there. Let's go on a nice walk. It will be me and you, pal. Come on, why do you look so down? Put a smile on your face and come on. This is so nice. But you haven't said anything the whole walk here. I mean, you're smiling. But it's creepy when you're completely quiet. Are you feeling okay? Hey, what? Hello there. Let's go on a nice walk. It will be me and you. Come on, why do you look so? Put a smile on your face and come on. Bummer. Rain had to fall. Just as I was enjoying nature, filled with sunshine.